Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm here again, starting my stream. I'm here to help you guys getting those jobs. My mission is to generate 10 lakhs jobs in India or outside India. I'll be helping at least 10 lakhs candidate. I want to help and I want to train them for absolutely free. So if you need job, if you need any kind of assistant in job or help, or you need any discussion, um, you need to check anything in the software field, you can check with me. I'll be helping you. I'll try to help you as much as I can, as per my best of my knowledge and experience. I'm a software architect having more than 15 years of experience in software industry. So I think I am the right person. I'll try to help you out as much as I can. So if you join this stream, if you are here, just try to put your message in the chat. I'll try to connect with you over the stream or over some of the chatting software. I'll get you connected and then we can talk. Okay, so um, that is my motto. That is the life I want to create for others. That is the number of job I want to create in the market. Indirectly or directly, I want to create those many jobs. Doesn't matter. um, it will be created indirectly. I can train people, and for that purpose I'm starting a new batch, absolutely free, absolutely free. Nothing will be asked, no money will be asked ever. And we will try to cover all the technologies, steps, all the technology especially related to AI. So that will be more focused on how you can learn and approach and get a job in AI. I can also demonstrate you what exactly happens in a software company, what all tools and technology we use in a software company. So that's my life goal. That's my life is not fulfill without achieving this goal. So I try to help all of you as per best of my availability and best of my knowledge. I've trained people in my part time also. I was part of a big company where we were training them in the US market, and we also place candidate in Apple, in big companies, in e-commerce, some of the e-commerce company, some banking domain companies that I cannot really name, but we have placed them, and they are successfully working there. So if you are the one, um, you're looking for any job change, you're looking for your first job, you are out of college, you have done some degree and you still don't have any job, it's the right place to uh, to get your first job. It will take time, definitely it will take time. It will not be, especially if you don't have that much preparation, experience, coding skill. So it will not be it cannot be done over the period of a small time. It will take some time, but we will be dedicated to provide you those kind of opportunity, and we will take responsibility end to end. Like, we'll try to help you in all the aspect as much as we can, and for that purpose we are trying to create a batch where we can fulfill our dream also, which is to create those jobs absolutely for free, and you can take advantage of that. I don't know, somebody, if somebody joined, please put your message in the chat. I'll be doing this stream for 30 minutes daily, no matter what. Whenever you join, just try to put your message in the chat. I'm here for that purpose only. If you join, just get connected. We can have nice conversation. what all things you want from any software company, what kind of experience uh, you want to have, and what tools and technology you want to learn. We can discuss everything. Okay, so nowadays AI is booming like anything, and it will disrupt. I think it will disrupt all the fields, every field, almost every field. Very few field will be untouchable from the AI era. So we should be ready. So a lot of job will be gone in near future, especially in software services, software. But AI will also create hell lot of many jobs. It will create, I think, more than 100% of job what it will take. So it's just the shifting of the technology. Uh, Now we are working for normal technology to build our software, enterprise software, e-commerce softwares, internet related software, different apps. But I think going forward, uh, we'll see more power from the AI side also. A lot of things will be automated. uh, I think extreme automation will be done in many fields. Extreme automation means everything will be handled from the AI front. AI will be able to take more informed decision, because as a human we have many limitations. Many limitations. We get emotional, right? We get tired. So many shortcomings we have. Still AI is not actually have not surpassed us, but it will eventually. It has to. uh, and even if it uh, is not surpassing, it's doing its work very efficiently, that a human cannot really do that well, right? So that is why we have to prepare, we have to be ready for these kind of job in software, in AI field. And this is the right time for learning your AI skills, for enhancing your AI skill, for moving towards AI. There cannot be a better time for sure. Still, most of the AI environments are not really very stable. Still, a lot of R&D and development and everything is happening. Very few things are stable in AI. So this is the right time for any developer to move into this field. We'll get, for next 10-20 years, we'll get a lot of work in AI, lot of work. And if you're not really um, future proofing yourself, you're not learning the skill, you will be left behind. Definitely there will be many different kind of other technologies. Basic technologies will always be there, but I think it will only execute, or it will only run in a specific uh, in a with the limitation of, less growth. And that is what we have to live with. A lot of innovation is coming, and change is the one thing which you cannot, or nobody can actually stop. So we have to embrace the change which is currently the AI. And best thing is, it's nowadays everything is open. You can really search a number of tutorials. You can work with open source technologies. L- Things are way easier nowadays. If you want to enhance your skill, though it will take time, if you are not really on the right track, if you don't know what is happening in current industry, it will definitely take some time, but eventually you will learn it. Eventually you will be there. If you are putting the effort, it will not be wasted for sure. But you have to be consistent, and you have to be putting your effort for a longer period of time. You have to put, you have to plan like that. So, like old saying, consistency is the key. Same goes here also. Consistency is the key here also. You have to be, because this field, the one problem that I, or the challenge that I see with AI field is learning is not that straightforward. You have to learn a lot of things. You have to learn maths behind it a little bit, not uh, I mean not in total, but you have to know, in general you have to know fundamentals of math, especially related to what is actually used in AI ML. Other than that, you need other basic technology also, right? Apart from math, you also need uh, you also need to know calculus, and then Python is the best programming language for suitable for AI and ML. So you have to know that also, Panda, and then NumPy and sklearn. So you have to learn all of those. But more importantly, you have to work on projects. You have to work on real time projects whenever you learn something. And this is also old saying, whenever you are learning something, then you have to relate it to what is going on in the current field, and you have to acquire that similar kind of skill, and that only can be done doing some real time projects, small projects, right? Okay, I'm here for another 18 minutes. I'll be here doing this stream daily. I know Google is currently not recommending this because for, I don't know for what reason, but it happens, and I am okay with it. I'll be waiting, and if somebody join, I'll be doing the consulting. I can do the consulting if you want. So if you join, just, and if you want to talk about it, just put your message in the chat, and we can have a nice conversation right here on the stream also. Okay, um, what else? Just waiting. I'm also waiting for my first conversation with some real guy. We can have in-depth conversation. We can talk about different technology. We can talk about the current trend. I can also do mock interviews if you guys are okay with it. I have done a lot of interviews in my current company and in previous companies also. More than 1,000 interview I have taken easily. So I'm good with that also. And I'm also good in preparing candidate. I can really, that is the best part about me. I always had more than 4 5 offers, always. So I always knew how to approach, how to get those kind of jobs, how to crack the interview, how to approach for an interview, how to prepare for an interview, how so somehow I always knew it, and that's what I have been doing. I always had more than 4 5 offers. At time I think I had 7 or 8 offers, and even more than that. I rejected a lot of and finally joined one of the company. But getting job was never difficult for me, and it is not really difficult at all. If you put your effort in the right direction at the right time, you will be placed no matter what. You will get your offers. Not even offers, you will get plenty of offers. Those guys are there searching for somebody who is trustworthy, who knows things, right? Who can really work, who can gel with well with the team and with the environment, with the culture of the company. So they are looking for that. And technically sound, yes, obviously. Nowadays we can actually start woo, uh, we can easily start, getting some help from different AI models. That's the best thing about nowadays, though you cannot rely completely on those models, because you have to keep the in-depth knowledge also, no matter what, because if you're going to work in a particular area and if you have shallow knowledge, it is going to cost you, no, in a long run. So even if you somehow, you know crack those interviews, even if you don't deserve it, try to deserve it. Try to be competitive in that field as soon as possible. Don't hold yourself. That's what I can recommend. If you're watching this stream, just try to put your message in the chat. We can have nice conversation going forward. We can talk today, tomorrow, whenever you want. I have 30 minutes. I have reserved 30 minutes for this stream every day. Though my timing is not currently fixed, I also have to take care of this setup, which I will in near future, and then we can have some quality stream. I also am learning how to increase the quality of my stream, uh, but it will take some time. I have been procrastinating it from long period of time. I always wanted to do and wanted to help others getting their jobs, getting their first job, and I have waited actually enough, and enough is enough. Now I've decided to start this stream no matter what, even if I don't have a good setup, that will eventually be improved. That's fine. I can live with it. I don't need a fancy setup to start with, right? I can eventually improve. That's what we do in software. Uh, Software also, you don't write a perfect code at the very first time. You just write a workable code, then you try to improve it as much as you can. You test it on your own. You try to see, and you take guidance or get the code review done from your peers, your seniors, uh, and eventually they will give you some review comments, something to be improved. If they see any problem, then they will try to help you out, and they also will have to maintain the quality. So eventually that way the code gets improved over the period of different iteration, different time. That's how we write it. That's how we do this in sprints, different sprint, right? One sprint, small kind of chunk of work we do, we deliver it, we put it in the repository, we deploy it on the different environment, we test it, and we deploy it, we ship it. And if everything goes fine, we fix all the issues, make it stable, and that's how the life also work in general. uh, if you are a perfectionist, then things will be not that easy for you, because you will always wait. I was there at one point in time, but I learned my lesson. I delayed a lot of things in life, but now I think I am far away from that procrastination kind of situation. I learned my lesson. That's the best part of it. If you learn your lesson, then no matter what happened in the past, you will eventually grow. You will be on the right track. That's my philosophy, because I have nobody here to talk to. That's why I'm just chatting with the mic. Okay, I'll be here for another 10 minutes. It's already 20 minutes in the stream. Okay, if you guys are watching this, just try to put, even if you watch it later on, that's fine with me. I know why these things are not really very popular, because nobody is doing this kind of work actually. Nobody is expecting to do anything for free. I'm willing to do it because this is my live stream. This is, life is given for uh, only for one time, right? You have to live it only for one time, and that too for a very short time. Life span is, human life span is really very short. So we should help each other. We should leave our legacy. We should try to help each other, and try to solve the challenges that we are getting. And what can be the bigger challenge than, you know removing, or overcoming the unemployment. That is why I'm here, to overcome this problem in the in my country. I can really help if you join it. Just try to communicate. Don't don't be shy. Okay, I might not be the perfect guy, but I will try to help as much as I can, according to best of my knowledge, best of my experience. I'll try to help. Currently I have not really laid down any framework, how, what kind of question I am going to ask. I'll just have some normal chit chat with you guys, normal conversation. I'll try to identify what we are trying to do, what are the pros and cons, and positive and negative areas of why you're not getting any job. So I'll try to identify that, try to we will try to overcome. And if you need training, and if you are a deserving candidate, then put you in the I'll put you in the batch, free batch. Okay, still 7 more minutes remaining. I'm waiting here. कोई तो ज्वाइन करो भाई. I'm waiting here. Nobody's here. Okay, at least I have some other work also, apart from doing this stream. I have to jump to some other work right after this stream, but uh, 30 minutes every day I'll spare for this. I'll make sure that I am available for this 30 minutes every day. I'll also try to fix the timing, though my schedule is not really very uh, it's not giving me that kind of luxury. But I'll try to fix some time for my stream, so that people can uh, rely on the timing, right? So we are trying to start a new batch in another, in 15 days, but only if we have enough candidates. If we have 20, 30, 40 candidates also, we'll try to start it. And we are professionals. Everybody from the team is professional. They have more than 10, 15 years of experience, and they are expert in different technology. Some are expert in mobile technology, some are expert in front end technology, some are expert in back end technologies, some are expert in cloud technology. So we have different variety of experience, and that is what we need. We need to give you the overall experience, we need to give you the overall package, right? You need that kind of exposure in gaining the knowledge that is required to work well in a software company, gel well in a team, in a professional team. Especially nowadays, uh, Generally, teams are remote. Teams are, all the members are not sitting at one place. Somebody will be sitting in US, somebody will be in Germany, somebody will be doing the work in different timings, also in different time zone. So whenever you finish your work, the other guy will come and join and try to do some other work, right? So you have to work in that kind of not always, but sometimes, yes, in that kind of setting also. So if you need your job, if you need your first job, I'm here to provide you one. I'm here to help you get that kind of job. I cannot guarantee that job, nobody can do that guarantee, but if you can work hard, I can promise that you will get it eventually. You will have to work a lot harder, because AI field is changing like anything. Every day you see new technology coming in AI. That's the beauty of it this time. So we have many opportunities coming. I can see thousands and thousands, lakhs and lakhs of jobs coming into the AI. And if you can walk on the right track, you can easily get it. Okay, another 4 minutes. I'm still waiting. I don't know why, but Google is not really recommending. Um, I expected a little bit better response, but that's fine. That's fine. I can understand. कोई ज्वाइन करो, कोई आपको जॉब चाहिए. आई एम हेयर टू प्रोवाइड वन. आई एम हेयर टू हेल्प यू get your job, get your first job. If you have done degree, you still don't have any job, you are still confused, you don't know how to approach a good job, I can help you out. Though internet can also help you, but they will not help you in preparing for free. But I will do. If you are a deserving candidate, you are not getting job, you are far behind, you are thinking that you are left far behind, you are demotivated for any reason, I can really help here. I have that kind of experience, where I can train you in the best way possible, with the best technology stack, with the best expertise, with the best tools and technologies. So you will get that kind of exposure, uh, which you get in a real company. You will get that kind of exposure for sure, because we have enough experience, tools, technology, projects, everything. Okay, another 2 minutes. I'll be here doing this stream. I'll be doing this stream on daily basis. And if you see this stream later on, just try to put your message in the chat. Try to communicate with me. Try to connect with me. There is one video of mine which is already there, and I have placed my number also, WhatsApp number. You can send me message there, and I'll try to connect. Okay. Um, we are starting a batch absolutely for free for AI and machine learning. That will be for absolutely free. I'm not marketing it a lot, because I don't want to invest a lot of money, because I'm not doing it for money. I'm just doing it for free, absolutely free. No, nothing will, no money will be asked ever in that batch. Okay. And you might ask how I will support it if I don't earn any money. So we can get the money from some other services, right? There is always some other services which, from where we can generate some money as a group, but not from this. This is our dream, this is my dream, to generate those many jobs throughout my lifespan. And that's all. That's all I wanted to communicate. Over and out. Have a nice day. Good night. See you tomorrow, guys.